Naku, mukhang may ma-checkmate ngayon. General Torre, natameme nang sinabi ito ni dating Pangulong Duterte sa kanya habang nandyan po ngayon si Tatay Digong nasa Villamor Air Base. Ewan ko lang kung ano yung susunod nilang gawin, pero nung may sinabi si dating Pangulong Duterte kay General Torre, tameme at may hinahanap si Tatay Digong. Ano kaya itong hinahanap niya kay General Torre? Ito, panoorin natin.
For detention and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? To me now, the legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Kung general naman kayo, alam na ba na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso kung pinag-charge sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam na kung in-charge sa kanya, nasa dyaryo lang. And then, hindi pa kayo na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General. Yes. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedural process, here we are being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman po, sir? Sir.
There's naman doon blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Kaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.
Nako. Siguraduhin nyo, legal yung ginawa nyo kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Kasi kung hindi, ay sinong mababalikan dyan? Kasi questionable po na nangyayari ngayon. Pero bakit dyan? Dapat ipaliwanag nyo po doon sa inaresto nyo. Bakit inaresto? Ano yung legal basis daw? Yung hinahanap, Torre. Ako, si Torre, daming nagalit na dito. May mga nagbabanta na. Mapansin nyo po sa mga update ngayon, si Torre po, hindi lang kay Junior, itong si Torre. Kasi syempre, ito yung sunod-sunuran. Ang tanong, nasa tamang pamamaraan ba ang ginawa nila? Ako, abangan natin ang update dyan. General Torre, sumagot ka naman dyan. Simpleng katanungan. Thank you. Bye-bye.